If you're trying to decide between Zoho and Tally for your business in 2026, you're definitely not alone. These are two of the most popular business accounting solutions, especially among small and medium-sized businesses. But while they may seem like direct competitors, they're actually built with different philosophies. One focuses on cloud-based business management, while the other has built its reputation on reliable accounting and compliance for decades. So which one should you choose? In this video, we'll compare Zoho and Tally across accounting features, GST compliance, inventory management, invoicing, reporting, payroll integrations, ease of use, pricing, customer support, mobile accessibility, Trustpilot reviews, and overall value for money. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform is the better fit for your business. Let's begin with the biggest difference between the two. Tally has been one of the most trusted accounting software solutions in India for decades. Businesses, accountants, and chartered accountants have relied on it for bookkeeping, GST filing, inventory management, payroll, and financial reporting. It has become almost an industry standard for traditional accounting. Zoho, on the other hand, is a modern cloud software company that offers a complete ecosystem of business applications. Zoho Books is its accounting platform, but businesses can also connect it with Zoho CRM, Zoho Inventory, Zoho Payroll, Zoho Projects, Zoho Expense, and dozens of other applications. This means the comparison isn't simply accounting software versus accounting software. It's traditional desktop accounting versus a cloud-based business ecosystem. Let's talk about ease of use. If you've never used accounting software before, Zoho is generally easier to learn. The interface is modern, clean, and intuitive. Navigation is straightforward, and most users can start creating invoices, recording expenses, and generating reports with minimal training. Tally has a different learning curve. It uses a keyboard-driven workflow and terminology that many accountants already know well. Experienced accountants often appreciate its speed, but beginners may find it less intuitive. When it comes to accounting features, both platforms perform well. Both support journal entries, ledgers, bank reconciliation, accounts receivable, accounts payable, profit and loss statements, balance sheets, cash flow reports, and GST compliance for Indian businesses. However, Tally remains exceptionally strong for businesses that have established accounting processes and work closely with professional accountants. Zoho Books shines in automation. You can automate recurring invoices, payment reminders, workflows, approvals, expense categorization, and customer communications, reducing manual work significantly. Inventory management is another important area. Tally provides inventory management suitable for many wholesalers, retailers, and manufacturers. You can manage stock levels, warehouses, purchase orders, and sales orders effectively. Zoho offers inventory capabilities as well, and businesses needing advanced warehouse operations can integrate directly with Zoho Inventory for barcode management, multiple warehouses, shipping integrations, and e-commerce synchronization. If your business is growing rapidly or selling online, Zoho's ecosystem offers greater flexibility. Now let's discuss GST compliance. Both Zoho Books and Tally support GST invoicing and reporting for Indian businesses. Tally has long been recognized for its robust GST capabilities and remains a preferred choice among many chartered accountants. Zoho has continued improving its GST functionality and provides automated tax calculations, GST reports, return preparation, and integrations that simplify compliance for many businesses. Cloud accessibility is one of Zoho's biggest advantages. Since Zoho Books is cloud-based, you can log in from almost anywhere using your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Multiple users can collaborate simultaneously, making it ideal for remote teams and business owners who travel frequently. Tally has introduced remote capabilities through newer versions, but many businesses still consider it a desktop-first solution. For organizations requiring constant remote access, Zoho generally provides a smoother experience, like Reddit. Let's move on to integrations. This is where Zoho really stands out. Zoho integrates with dozens of its own business applications, including CRM, payroll, expense management, inventory, email marketing, help desk software, project management, analytics, and many third-party platforms like Stripe, Shopify, PayPal, Slack, and Google Workspace by TechRadar. Tally also offers integrations, but they often require third-party connectors or additional customization depending on your business requirements. If you're looking for an all-in-one business platform, Zoho clearly has the advantage. Reporting is another area where both perform well. Tally offers detailed accounting reports, financial statements, taxation reports, inventory summaries, and audit-ready information. Zoho provides visually appealing dashboards with customizable reports, KPIs, cash flow tracking, receivables, payables, profitability analysis, and real-time business insights. Business owners who prefer graphical dashboards often enjoy Zoho's presentation style. Now let's discuss mobile apps. Zoho provides excellent mobile applications that allow users to create invoices, record expenses, approve transactions, monitor cash flow, and manage customers from anywhere. Tally's mobile experience has improved through companion solutions, but Zoho continues to provide a more comprehensive cloud-first mobile experience. Customer support is another important consideration. Zoho offers email, chat, documentation, community forums, webinars, and training resources. While many users praise the platform, others mention inconsistent support experiences depending on the product and region from TechRadar. Tally has an extensive partner network across India. Many businesses value having local implementation partners and accountants who already understand the software. Now let's discuss pricing. Zoho Books offers multiple subscription plans, including a free plan for eligible small businesses in some regions and scalable paid plans as businesses grow. Tally generally follows a perpetual licensing or subscription model depending on the edition and deployment you choose. Your decision should consider not only the software price, but also implementation, training, maintenance, and future scalability. Let's look at Trustpilot reviews. Zoho maintains a trust score of approximately 3.9 out of 5 based on thousands of customer reviews. Many users appreciate its affordability, broad feature set, and user-friendly interface. Positive reviews frequently mention the extensive ecosystem and overall value, while some negative reviews reference customer support responsiveness, billing concerns, or the learning curve across the larger suite of applications. Trustpilot. Tally, by comparison, does not have a significant Trustpilot presence comparable to Zoho, so it's difficult to make a direct review score comparison. Instead, much of its reputation comes from its long-standing adoption among accountants and businesses, especially in India. When we look at community discussions, many accountants still favor Tally for traditional accounting and GST workflows, while others believe Zoho has surpassed Tally in terms of cloud functionality, usability, and business automation. Northern Reddit, So who should choose Zoho? Choose Zoho if you want cloud accessibility, business automation, integrations, mobile apps, modern dashboards, collaboration features, and an accounting solution that can grow alongside CRM, inventory, payroll, HR, and other business operations. Who should choose Tally? Choose Tally if your business depends heavily on traditional accounting workflows, your accountant already uses Tally extensively, or your priority is established bookkeeping and GST processes with minimal changes to existing operations. Our final verdict is simple. If you're a modern startup, growing SME, e-commerce business, or service company that wants automation and an integrated business ecosystem, Zoho is the stronger long-term choice. If you're a traditional business with experienced accounting staff and well-established accounting processes centered around Tally, there's still plenty of value in staying with Tally. Ultimately, both are excellent platforms. The right choice depends on your business model, growth plans, and the way your team prefers to work. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more software comparisons and business technology reviews. And if you're planning to choose your next accounting software, do check out the links in the description to get the discount of up to 40% on your favorite CRM or business software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.